in an ideal situation na sinasabi mo, ideal yung mga leaders, cabinet secretaries, mga competent sila. How long do you think does the Philippine healthcare system become at par with our ASEAN neighbors lang? Let's say Singapore or Malaysia.
Well, siguro in 10 years. Kunyari, nagkaroon ka ng magaling na Pangulo, tapos na-appoint ang magaling na DOH at saka PhilHealth. Kaya yung 10 taon. Kaya, tingin ko.
Is that something we don't have today, Doc Tony? A good president and a good DOH secretary?
I think so. Wala po. Kasi, kaya po wala, instead na iprotekta nila yung mga tao, kinuha pa nga nila yung pondo ng PhilHealth eh. Tsaka lahat ng galawan, parang political lahat yung movements eh, just to satisfy lang yung kanilang mga trust ratings and all. Unfortunately, yan ang nakikita ko. It's sad. Nangyayari to in our country. Hindi damdam kung sakali may ginagawa po sila.